Hi, little explorers. Welcome to Zoo Zoo Funhouse. Today we're learning animals that start with the letter C. Let's say it together. C. Ready? Let's go. C for cat. Cats are furry pets who love to drink milk and take cozy naps. They can see in the dark. Bye, cat. Meow, meow. C for cow. Cows live on farms and give us fresh milk to drink. Fun fact, cows have best friends too. Bye, cow. Moo moo. C for camel. Camels live in the hot desert and have humps to store fat. They can walk for days without water. Bye, camel. C for crocodile. Crocodiles live in rivers and love the water. They can hold their breath for over an hour. Bye, crocodile. C for cheetah. Cheetahs live in grassy lands and run faster than a car. They can reach speeds up to 110 kilometers per hour. Bye, cheetah. C for chimpanzee. Chimps live in jungles and love eating fruits. They can use tools just like humans. Bye, chimpanzee. Ooh, ooh. Ah, ah. C for crab. Crabs live on beaches and walk sideways with their claws up. Some crabs can swim too. Bye, crab. Click, click. C for caterpillar. Caterpillars crawl on leaves and munch all day. Then they turn into beautiful butterflies. Bye, caterpillar. C for cockatoo. Cockatoos are clever birds with bright yellow feathers. They can copy sounds and even talk. Bye, cockatoo. C for clownfish. Clownfish live in colorful coral reefs. They stay close to sea anemones for safety. Bye, clownfish. C for cougar. Cougars live in mountains and forests. They can leap over 6 meters in one jump. Bye, cougar. C for crane. Cranes are tall birds that love dancing near lakes. They build nests high up in the grasslands. Bye, crane. C for caribou. Caribou live in snowy places and travel in herds. They use their antlers to dig through snow for food. Bye, caribou. C for chameleon. Chameleons are amazing lizards that can change their color. They have long, sticky tongues that catch insects in a flash. Bye, chameleon. C for capybara. Capybaras are the biggest rodents in the world. They love water and chilling with friends. Bye, capybara. Splash, splash. C for cardinal. Cardinals are bright red birds that sing sweet songs. They love sunflower seeds. Bye, cardinal. C for coyote. Coyotes live in deserts and howl at night. They're smart hunters and love to travel in packs. Bye, coyote. C for clam. Clams live under the sea and have hard shells. They love hiding in the sand all day. Bye, clam. C for cockroach. Cockroaches live almost everywhere, homes, forests, and fields. They can live without food for weeks. Bye, cockroach. C for chipmunk. Chipmunks are tiny, speedy animals that store nuts in their cheeks. They love to play hide and seek in the forest. Bye, chipmunk. Now we know animals from A to C. Learning is fun, especially with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Zoo Zoo Funhouse. Hello, little explorers. Welcome to Zoo Zoo Funhouse. Today, we are going on an exciting journey to meet 25 amazing animals. Let's learn their names and sound. Let's go! First animal is lion. The lion is called the king of the jungle. His loud roar can be heard from miles away. Lion. Panda. Pandas love to munch on bamboo all day long. They are super cute and cuddly. Panda. Koala. Koalas are super sleepy animals. They sleep almost 20 hours a day. Koala. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals. They use their trunks to drink water and give hugs. Elephant. Rabbit. Rabbits hop around and love eating carrots. Their long ears help them hear really well. Rabbit. Tiger. Tigers have beautiful orange fur with black stripes. They love swimming too. Tiger. Bear. Bears are big and strong. Some bears sleep all winter. That's called hibernation. Bear. Giraffe. Giraffes have the longest necks. They use them to eat leaves from tall trees. Giraffe. panda. Red pandas are small furry animals with big bushy tails. They love to eat bamboo and mostly stay on trees. Red panda. Zebra. Zebras wear black and white stripes like pajamas. No two zebras have the same pattern. Zebra. Monkey. Monkeys are playful and clever. They swing from trees using their tails. Monkey. Fox. Foxes are very smart and quick. They have fluffy tails and love to play in the wild. Fox. Orangutan. Orangutans are the kings of the treetops. They use their long arms to swing from branch to branch. Orangutan. Deer. Deer are gentle and fast. Their antlers are like beautiful crowns. Deer. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are super smart and playful animals. They can use tools like sticks to catch food, just like humans use spoons. Chimpanzee. Moose. Moose are big and strong animals with huge antlers on their heads. They live in cold places and love to walk through forests and rivers. Moose. Lemur. Lemurs have big eyes and long tails, and they love to leap through the trees. They live only in Madagascar, a special island full of amazing animals. Lemurs talk to each other using funny sounds and smells. Lemur. Elk. Elks are large deer with tall antlers that look like tree branches. They live in forests and mountains and make loud bugling sounds to talk to other elks. Elk. Meerkat. Meerkats are small and super curious animals that stand up on two legs to look around. They live together in big families called mobs in the deserts of Africa. Meerkat. Wild boar. Wild boars are strong animals with big heads and sharp tusks. They live in forests and use their snouts to dig in the ground for food like roots and insects. Wild boar. Horse. Horses run super fast and love galloping in open fields. Horse. Cow. Cows give us milk and love chewing grass all day. Cow. love to climb and eat almost anything. They go meme all the time. Goat. Sheep. Sheep have fluffy wool that keeps them warm. Ba ba. Sheep. Donkey. Donkeys are strong helpers on farms. They carry heavy loads. Donkey. Wow! We learned 25 amazing animals today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun learning with Zoo Zoo Funhouse. See you next time. Bye-bye.